Okay, here it is, January 7, 2022. A 2022 winter road trip we're on. Southern Utah. We're in Moab, Utah. Yesterday we went to Arches National Park, and today we're heading out to Canyonlands. And here I am. About to hop in the vehicle and head over to Canyonlands National Park. So, looks like it's going to be a pretty beautiful day today. As we got, let's look around again. Blue sky. Supposed to be in the 50s again today, I think. So, looking forward to that. But we're going to climb in and go now. So, it's about 10 to 10 right now. But let's hit the road. The Canyonlands National Park. There's the sign, Canyonlands National Park. Preview of coming attractions. That's mountains over there. This would do go at the visitor center, I bet.
Probably
1 mile ahead. Yep.
Yep. Here we go.
Here we are, Island in the Sky Visitor Center, Canyonlands National Park. Take a little look around here. Wow. Oh, beautiful. Just crossed the road. I'm going to go take a look at this sign over here. There's something in the air. Oh, cool. That's how it looks today. January 7th, 2022. Oh man, right below me. Look at that. Hmm. It's right across the road from the visitor center. Wow. The road down there. Beautiful. I'm gonna head up to the vehicle and we'll be heading into the park in a little bit here. Well, before we get in the car, for the second day in a row, I see a payphone. Wow. Nothing. I'm gonna check for dial tone. Nope. 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 No dial tone. But at least that old relic is right there still. A flash from the past. Okay, now we'll head on into the park in a little bit here.
Take his viewpoint?
Yeah. Oh, wow. This is going to be something. First, I'm going to go take a look at that sign that's way over here. Not far, though. Then you kind of get some little information on where we're in a specific spot. Okay. Alright, we got Shafer Canyon Viewpoint Trail and Next Spring Trail. But right now, let's take a look at Next Spring, what this sign says. I'm not going down the trail, but at least we'll see what direction overlooking the area here. That's what it looks like here. Okay, let's take a look at the overlook. So you can see the trail crosses the road and they go down that direction. Wow, I'm just gonna walk up here. Oh. All right, no doubt about it. I'm going to walk over to there. I know there's some signs down there. Wow. Obviously, there's a way to get down there. I'm gonna, because there's signs, there's people down there. I'm going down there. Look at that view, though. Okay, I'm gonna find my way down there. Steps. There we go. Perfect. Nice. Raven. Okay. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. It's straight down almost. Oh, looks like there's some kind of a road or something down there. Hmm. The closest I'll go. Drop me into the canyons. Something I am not going to do. Not today. Okay, let's take a look what this says. The road below you hugs the walls of Shafer Canyon as it quickly drops 1,400 feet. Wow. Okay, further down. Native people likely used this route to travel from the Mesa to the Colorado River. In the early 1900s, ranchers drove livestock on it. Back then, the road was narrow and much rugged. Animals sometimes slipped to their deaths. Oh, wow. Yeah, they upgraded it in the 1950s. And Canyonlands National Park established was in 1964. All right. There's a picture. Sheep herds lead a large flock of sheep down the Shafer Trail. That was in 1966. And there we go. So there's the trail there. And also you can see the snow-covered one. Oh, wow. Let's pan back a little bit. Yeah, I can see where the over there it kind of goes down the switchbacks. Man alive. Yeah, I'm on the other side. Oh gosh, look at that. Oh, right over the ledge there. There's the trail. Gosh, beautiful. Right at the end of the canyon right there. Okay, switch that around like that. Go this way. Canyonlands National Park. January 7th today, 2022. We're taking. You see me there. Instead of being behind the camera, I'm in front of it. I like doing this once in a while, just wow. Oh. Mmm. Don't want to lose my equilibrium. Wow. You're unobstructed. Hmm. Man, no, I'm not climbing up there. Wouldn't doubt people do though. Heading back up to the car. From this first overlook. This was only the first one.